Hi, how's everyone? Kumusta? I'm not really in the mood to vlog, but I said I figured out that I missed a lot of times to do an update on PPP, punto per punto. Punto per punto per what? Personal. Di personal. Ganon. Okay, so this lip color is the brand is actually that of one of my tawag dito, lip balm. But um when I bought it, I realized that it's really a lip color. It's really a lipstick, no? But anyway, so I just wanna try it. Hindi siya bagay sa kulay ng damit ko. But I just wanna try it. Ayan, just to contrast na lang dito sa ating plum colored blouse. Just came home from work. Obviously tired tayo. But I said I wanted to stay for the rest of the afternoon. It's about 4:56 actually here in my location. In the Philippines, it's already 8:56, so parang magna 9 o'clock na. So I wanted to finish sewing um for this afternoon. Mga maliliit na ano lang, na mga damit or parts lang naman. May mga damit ako na yung edge niya natanggal pa. So, need to kasi meron pang sun, as you can see. So, tsaka matagal na rin akong hindi nagpa-vlog. I remembered about like, what if I just appear in front of you for quite some time? Yeah, kahit hindi naman araw-araw kasi I am busy. Started to be busy when my mom was sick. And yeah, I had a really hard time. Sometimes I did vlog and I did update you about that. And alam niyo na I was struggling, too much struggling. Anyway, she died 2024 September. So, nag 1 year na si mama. Uh, but 1 year after that, I started to pick myself up again. And now I'm a little bit energized, little lang. Hindi ko pa rin naibabalik yung yung dating energy ko. And plus, at this stage and at this age, I had this is another stage. I'm 50. Yeah, I just turned 50 a year ago. No, not a year ago. Last year, which was October 2025, 2000 October 29. And you know what happens at 50, right? With women, we change meron tayong mga hormonal changes, meron tayong mga marami. Yeah. So, parang sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, "Ano ba 'to?" Parang nung nagkakasakit si mama, parang mas mas parang mas on the go pa ako kaysa ngayon. But the change was siguro ano na lang, I had time for myself. I slept more than before. Uh, Tapos hindi na yung tatakbo-takbo ako, hindi na yung parang lagi ako nakatingin sa phone ko, may tatawag, may mga yung surprise, hindi na surprising, yung shocking, hindi na shocking. Horrible siya during that time. So, after my mom died, I kind of yeah, like I said, I picked up the pieces again, and bumangon ako ng konti but, hindi pa rin. I'm not yet really back on the block, pero, I'm trying. So and yun na nga sabi ko, kasi now, I'm in another stage of my life. I turned 50. I'm 50, yeah, already. I turned 50 last year, October 2025, October 29, 2000. Okay. Um, and what's this? At this stage, a lot of us, a lot of women like me, experience changes, especially hormonal changes. Yan. So, maraming nababago physically, uh, it affects us emotionally and psychologically. So, may panibago na naman akong challenge. Sabi ko,